Packing party!
Yes! Finally here to help.
Over 7% of all nurses in Washington get their degree from WGU. We are so proud to contribute to the nursing profession and excited to say thank you with the Night Shift Nurses Gift Box.
Just knowing anytime you need emergency care, those people are there to help us and care for us. I think that's extraordinary, and this is the least we can do to thank them.
To another video with Local in Seattle. I'm your host, Kelly Hansen. Thank you for clicking on this video, and as always, if you like it, hit that like and subscribe right now. I want to say first and foremost, thank you to WGU, an online university who is making this video all possible. We are actually surprising some local nurses, which I'm so excited about. My mom is actually in the healthcare profession, and if you know anyone in this profession, you know how hard they work, and they are truly angels among us. And so I'm so excited to show our gratitude. You know, when all of us are about to sleep that extra hour with daylight saving, night shift workers are actually working through it and working that extra hour. So we wanted to show how much gratitude we have for them. So we're actually making care packages and a bunch of little surprise goodies, and then we get to distribute them. This is awesome. I can't wait to hear why WGU wanted to do this and more. So without further ado, let's just get this video started because I love surprises. Did I mention that? Oh my gosh, what are we doing here today?
Oh, we're so excited that you're helping us. It's fall back, right? It's the night shift. I don't know about you, but when I wake up, I just roll my clocks back and don't think anything of it. But you know, there's night shift workers that work an extra hour, particularly our nurses. We're doing a little box to say thank you.
So big, it's so heavy. Okay, Tanya, what is in this box? What's happening here?
For night shift, it has to be goodies, so we have lots of fun popcorn, candy, lots of fun things. We definitely have some Starbucks coffee in case they need that little extra pickup.
Yes.
And then after their shift, so cute, a little...
Oh my gosh, I love that. We're gonna pack up a few things. We are not just sitting here, we are working, okay?
So we're giving them a fun little gift box, but we also have a special scholarship for them also. The scholarship is Night Shift, and it's not just for nurses, it's for anybody who is working that extra hour of the night shift.
Packing party, it's happening.
Those who stay up late, those who stay up all night and are looking out for us and watching out for us while we sleep, this is, I feel like, the least we could do. Are you here to help?
I'm here to help.
Awesome.
I'm finally here to help.
We will take all the working hands we can. So, the box behind you is ready to roll for this station.
Love it. Pass it along. Well-oiled machine, friends. Are you checking my work?
No, why check perfection?
Thank you.
It looks amazing.
Okay, we're here at Virginia Mason, and I'm so excited. This is where we get to talk with some people and surprise some of the night shift nurses.
Wanted to give these boxes to you for the night shift team.
These people are just working so hard. They're already working 12.5 hours, and we're daylight savings. You know, they're working another hour.
Gifts mean a lot because they're going above and beyond to take care of patients, especially at night. Nursing is the art of caring, and it does not stop at 7 p.m. or 7 a.m. It's a 24/7. So these gifts are appreciation that they will definitely treasure and appreciate for people like you for thinking of them. So thank you.
Bye, thank you. Bye. Oh my gosh, what a fun day with WGU, surprising some night shift nurses. And so exciting, they even gave me a fun box to give to some night shift workers that are working at King 5, so I'm excited to surprise some coworkers with that. And that's what I mean, anyone working a night shift, all of those hours overnight, you can be entered to win the scholarship if you want to further your education with WGU. So I'll have all that information in the YouTube description. So I don't know, get out, do something nice for people. You know, it really warms your heart. You feel very fulfilled, at least I do. So until the next adventure, I will see you later. Bye.